This is a masher. You basically cut up the apples and it turns it from a whole apple into pulp, basically.
So we're getting ready to mash it all. I actually can't see. You ready for the taste test? Oh my god, Will. That tastes amazing.